Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a review for you. And I'm going to test out this brand new Becca highlighter. And it's called Champagne Pop. So you might be able to actually remember that I made a video about my Becca Opal highlighter, which is this one. Now, I had an accident with it and it actually broke. So I did fix it, tried to fix it with some alcohol, but it's still kind of crumbling, as you can see there. And this was an amazing highlighter. I thought it was fantastic, but I just thought it wasn't kind of golden enough for me for what I wanted. So I went ahead and bought this Champagne Pop from Becca. Now this is the highlighter here. And I've swatched it once just to see what it was like before I made the video. And I'm really, really pleased with what it looks like. It's a much more kind of deeper orange. I'm getting a bit all over myself. I'm drinking organic peppermint tea. So good. I'm trying to detox. So yeah, I've swatched this once. And this is the highlighter. And this is the colour. So it's a much more kind of bronzy kind of colour. And I really, really like it. This is the, why do I keep saying Champagne Pop? This is the Becca Opal and this is the Champagne Pop. So this is kind of slightly more kind of, it's looking more golden, but it's not. It's more pinky than this one. And I just wanted something, you know, so I bought the kind of travel size for this one because I wanted to test it out. So I went ahead and bought this. This is the full size. This was from ASOS and it retailed for about £30. And I'm just instantly in love with this highlighter. I love the packaging. I love the metallic on it. It kind of looks so cool. And this is kind of a rubber. And it's just amazing. But I don't have the box because I chucked it away because I'm an idiot. So I'm going to read you out what it says on the box. So it's called the Shimmering Skin Perfector. And it's in the shade Champagne Pop. Oh, I've got a scratch on my head. And basically, so it says, light up the features you love with the golden luminosity of Champagne Pop. This best-selling creamy highlighter powder creates high-impact, ultra-reflective shine for a dazzling finish. This shade reflects the luxurious effervescence and sparkling light of champagne. Cheers. And I absolutely love that. Such a great way to describe it, you know, kind of champagne, obviously, because it reminds you of champagne. And I just love how they've kind of made it sound like a drink. I know it's, I don't know what I'm talking about today. I know it's a drink, but the way they've made it sound, it's kind of luxurious. So the directions are sweep across the face or apply to targeted areas, including cheekbones, brow bones, and bridge of nose. So today, I haven't taken you through my face yet. I'm actually wearing my full face, but I'm actually not wearing any highlighter because I am going to try it on, obviously. So I've got my makeup on, and please don't mind this spot here. It's absolutely horrendous. Yeah, it's absolutely horrendous. And I always just randomly get spots when I'm filming, but I don't actually get spots quite a lot. So it's kind of rare that I've got this spot. I have curled my hair also, so it's looking kind of different. This is so good. And yeah, so I've got my Beauty Blender foundation on today, which I absolutely love. Then I've got my Too Faced bronzer, my eyebrows just with the rimel pencil, and my new kind of eye look, which is these kind of flicks at the side, this winged eyeliner, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks so cool. I love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swatch this highlighter twice. I'm going to swatch it on the brush and I'm going to swatch it on a Morphe brush and a fan brush. So I'll just go get them and I'll be back in a second. I'm going to just quickly swatch the Opal one for you guys. And just see a comparison. So this is Opal. And I'm going to swatch for you the Champagne Pop just to see the difference in it. Yeah. So to me, Champagne Pop is, this is Champagne Pop, sorry, it's Champagne Pop, and I've not done it very well, have I? Champagne Pop and Opal. So this to me looks more of a pinky kind of tone, and this is much more of a shimmery gold, which I really wanted something more golden. I was thinking about getting the Prosecco Pop, but that's much more tailored for, why does my camera keep like blinking? It's much more tailored for darker skin tones, so I was a bit hesitant about getting that one because I didn't want it to look too kind of intense, but kind of thinking I should have done. So this is the highlighter. It's a lovely, great big pan, and there's a mirror. Hi there. And it's just so luxurious. It feels amazing. Obviously, you can do your makeup during the day, use it as like a mirror, and I really, really love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swatch for you guys. So I'm going to use the fan brush. This is the Morphe M310. Lightly dust. Wow. No, I like a lot. Look at that. One thing you have to bear in mind is there's quite a lot of fallout. I don't know why, because I think it's because it's a pressed kind of powder. I mean, look at that. It is stunningly gorgeous. It's wet, it's beautiful. And the other side, I'm going to do it with this brush, the M510 Morphe brush. This is the brush that I prefer because it packs, I think, a lot better. Can you see? Oh my Lord. It looks like my skin is wet. I'm just going to touch up with this. I do like a lot of highlight. Wow. I'm going to do the nose. Oh, wow. And I don't like to do the Cupid's bow because I don't like the Cupid's bow accentuated. Because the whole point of me getting lip fillers was just trying to kind of drown out the... some people really like Cupid's bow. I don't. I like it to look quite flat. So look at that. Can you see with the ring light? Absolutely stunning. Just going to take the light off so you can see a bit better. So this is without the light. It's just wet. It looks glistening. It looks absolutely insane. I could literally just sit here and put highlighter on all day. Can you see how insanely gorgeous it is? I hate messing up the pan, but I also like to do a bit above my eyelids. Oh, wow. Look, I'm sorry. So let's put the light back on, the ring light. Beautiful. Becca is literally one of my favourite highlighters. It's the best. I feel like I glow. I'm glowing from every kind of angle. This tea is so good. I heard peppermint tea is like really good for kind of detoxing you. So look, I'm just so in awe. I'm so in love. So have you got any highlighters? Do you have any Becca ones? What's your favourite highlighter? Do you have the mini in Opal, or do you have the large ones? I'd love to hear, because I just think, look at the brightness is so intense. And it's more of a golden colour than I need to put a bit more on this side, don't I? It's more of a golden colour than a kind of pinky rose gold like the Opal was. But I am madly... Oops, sorry guys, I'm just trying to bring light down. I am madly in love with it. How amazingly gorgeous is that? Now, I'm just trying to, my hair is really kind of not playing today. Just so gorgeous. I think highlighter to me is one of my favourite things to put on my face. It really does accentuate my features and it just makes everyone look so good. I just love highlighter. So that is it, guys. That's the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please let me know what your favourite highlighters are. I think everyone's got kind of a highlighter preference. I mean, I'm quite olive skinned. I'm half Italian, so I kind of prefer something like a golden kind of highlighter. Whereas if you've really fair skin tone, maybe like a frost, like a pale snow frost would look really good on your skin tone. But everyone's got different skin tones, and that's the beauty of this world. Let's celebrate every skin tone and just, you know, just go to town on highlighters. Don't be scared of highlighters. I think a lot of people are kind of scared of highlighters, and there's no need to be. I think go big or go home. That's what I think about highlighters. So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. What's your favourite highlighter? Please be sure to click the notification bell to be notified when I next upload. And when you click the notification bell, make sure you click all, so all my notifications will be available for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.